Hey there, savvy savers! Welcome back to Money Does Matters, where we're all about helping you and your partner navigate the wild world of finances together. Today, we've got something special for all you lovebirds out there. It's time to talk about managing money as a couple. Let's start from point number 1. Communication is key. First things first, let's talk about the cornerstone of any successful relationship, communication. When it comes to money matters, open and honest communication is crucial. Sit down together regularly to discuss your financial goals, challenges, and dreams. Trust us, it'll save you a ton of headaches down the road. Continue to point number 2, set common goals. Next up, it's time to get on the same page with your financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, saving for a dream vacation, or building an emergency fund, make sure you're both working towards common objectives. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. Okay, next we are going to go to point number 3, create a budget together. The dreaded B word, budgeting. But fear not, because budgeting can actually be kind of fun. Seriously, stick with us. Sit down together and map out your monthly expenses, income, and savings goals. Don't forget to leave a little wiggle room for those spontaneous date nights. This is point number 4, designate money roles. Now, let's talk about divvying up the financial responsibilities. Decide who's going to handle what, whether it's paying the bills, managing investments, or tracking expenses. Just make sure both partners feel comfortable and empowered in their roles. Let's check point number 5, compromise, compromise, compromise. The art of compromise, every couple's secret weapon. When it comes to money matters, you're not always going to see eye to eye. That's okay. Practice the fine art of compromise and find solutions that work for both of you. Great, it is point number 6, build an emergency fund. Life happens, and it's essential to be prepared for the unexpected. Start building an emergency fund together to cover those rainy days. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Trust us, you'll thank yourselves later. Cool! Please listen carefully for point number 7, keep each other accountable. We all need a little accountability in our lives, especially when it comes to money. Keep each other in check by regularly reviewing your finances together and celebrating your wins, big or small, along the way. Please note this point number 8, be transparent about debts. Let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, debt. Be open and transparent about any debts you bring into the relationship. Together, come up with a plan to tackle those debts and work towards a debt-free future. Okay, next we are going to go to point number 9, invest in your future together. It's never too early or too late to start investing in your future together. Whether it's contributing to retirement accounts, investing in the stock market, or purchasing real estate, make sure you're both actively planning for the long term. Can wait for the last one. Point number 10, celebrate your financial wins. Last but not least, don't forget to celebrate your financial victories together. Whether it's reaching a savings milestone, paying off a debt, or sticking to your budget, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your progress as a team. And there you have it, our 10 best tips for managing finances as a couple. We hope you found these tips helpful and that they bring you and your partner closer together on your financial journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Money Does Matters, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. Until next time, happy budgeting! Bye for now!